Here you can see the cinnamon rolls just came out of the oven, and normally I'd kind of let them cool before I put on my icing, but everybody wants some. So I took 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice milk, coconut milk, or whatever kind of milk you want. So I'm just going to frost these, and I just let them drizzle. I take some up on my spoon, and I just let it drizzle onto the cinnamon roll. Got a little clump there, that's okay. It's pretty easy, just any design you want to make, just let it drizzle onto your cinnamon roll. And it works out fine. When there's a big clump going to happen, just go kind of fast and it'll spread out. And that is my cinnamon rolls. They cannot wait to eat these. So I hope you enjoy, and it's fall here, so I've been in the mood to bake and make all kinds of goodies for them. So I'll keep sharing videos and just show you how I make things. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.